Let us back to our topic, the dot. This story is about a little girl named Vashti who was nervous to make her first mark. There are three main characters in this story. The first is the little girl Vashti, the second is her great teacher, and the third is a little boy. Vashti was a student having first grade but still hesitating to draw painting. She had a very inspiring teacher who inspired her in such a nice way. Here is the story. Art class was over, but Vashti sat glued to her chair. Her paper was empty. In this picture, we can see that Vashti was sitting alone in the classroom and the whole class was empty. Her blank paper shows her lack of confidence. She was intelligent but was unaware of her creativity. Vashti's teacher leaned over the blank paper. Ah, a polar bear in a snowstorm, she said. Very funny, said Vashti. I just can't draw. Here the teacher saw her blank paper and was surprised because she was first grade student but couldn't draw a polar bear in a snowstorm. Teacher asked her to draw it, but Vashti took it as a joke because she thought that she was unable to draw. Her teacher smiled, just make a mark and see where it takes you. Here the teacher had understood Vashti's condition and she inspired her by asking her to make a dot. Vashti grabbed a marker and gave the paper a good strong jab there. Finally, Vashti opened a marker and put a dot on the page. Her teacher picked up the paper and studied it carefully. The teacher took the paper and the dot sounded good to her. She pushed the paper toward Vashti and quietly said, Now sign it. Now the teacher asked her to sign her name to develop confidence in her. Vashti thought for a moment, well, maybe I can't draw, but can I? I can sign my name. Here Vashti started thinking that she can do something. She was confused about making her mark but started thinking about it. However, she signed confidently her name. The next week, when Vashti walked into art class, she was surprised to see what was hanging above her teacher's desk. It was the little dot she had drawn, her dot, all framed in swirly gold. In the picture, we can see that a paper on which a little dot and name Vashti was signed is framed in a curly golden frame. The teacher did so to inspire Vashti because when she saw her dot in a frame of gold, she felt happy and honored. As a result of this act, she gained confidence. I can make a better dot than that. Now she began to think that she could do better and her fear had gone. She opened her never before used set of watercolors and set to work. She never used watercolors because she was unsure of herself, but now she took the first step to draw painting. Vashti painted and painted a red dot, a purple dot, a yellow dot, a blue dot. Here in the picture we can see that Vashti was painting little dots on little pages with different colors. Here we can see that she had developed interest in making paintings, so she was trying with different colors. The blue mixed with the yellow. She discovered that she could make green dot. Vashti kept experimenting lots of little dots in many colors. In the picture, now we can see that on a page she was drawing dots of different colors, and finally she discovered that she can make green dot by mixing blue with yellow. If I can make little dots, I can make big dots too. Vashti splashed her colors with bigger brush on bigger paper to make bigger dots. She is so confidently painting that she started doing experiments, and she has done so with freedom. And as a result of her experiments, she discovered green color by mixing blue and yellow. So she started drawing painting without any fear. She was doing it freely. She was drawing painting according to her own will. Vashti even made a dot by not painting a dot. As she was confident now, therefore dots were drawn by her easily. At the school art show a few weeks later, Vashti's many dots made quite a splash. She had made the painting freely without any hesitation. That's why her work was perfect. Her creativity could be seen in the painting. As a result, people admired her painting on the contest. Vashti noticed a little boy gazing up at her. You are really a great artist. I wish I could draw, he said. I bet you can, said Vashti. Me? Not me. I can't draw a straight line with ruler. Now Vashti saw a boy who was very impressed by her painting. The boy was unsure of himself, just like Vashti. Vashti did the same as her teacher did with her. She gave him confidence and made him to feel that he could also do painting. Vashti smiled. She handed the boy a blank sheet of paper. Show me. The boy's pencil shook as he drew his line. Vashti smiled because in the beginning she was also nervous and hesitating to draw even a dot. But now she had made a very good painting. She asked the boy to draw something on paper. As the boy was afraid and he was feeling hesitation, so his hands were shaking. Vashti stared at the boy's squiggle and then she said, Squiggle means a curly line which you can see in the picture. Sign it. She asked him to sign his name. Here the story ends. This story is for little kids to grow up and to be a bit braver, to discover inner creativity, because we all have creativity inside us. We should be confident. We must be sure of ourselves. Everyone should discover and utilize God gifted qualities. Thank you.